Hey everyone, this is our review of the Dreams Hotel in Playa Blanca, Lanzarote. But before we start, let's show you around. So this is the front of the hotel, and if it's the first time you've been, your first impressions, I'm sure, will be wow. So this is the room. We've arrived, we are in. Great service so far. We've got well, that's a pool view, but that's also a sea view you can see there in the background. So pretty good. This is our little terrace. And then as we go in, lovely big bed, nice room, huge telly. Yeah, bedside cabinets. As you come through here, in this little cupboard here, you have the safe, slippers, shower, separate shower, which is nice, mini bar, and everything used from that is restocked every day. That's included for preferred club. So yeah, very pleased with this, very pleased with the service, very pleased with the room, and very pleased with everything really. So this is the rendezvous bar. To the right of it is where we've just had breakfast. Outside there, this is where the evening entertainment takes place in this big area. Plenty of chairs inside and out by the main pool. And there's the other restaurant over there. This is part of the breakfast room, or restaurant later. So you can sit outside and have your breakfast if you so wish. So this is like all your pastries. Look at that lot. Woof. Don't they look delish? And then down here you have sort of a fry-up area. Cereals, yogurts, and all your fruits there. Here we are in the preferred club breakfast room. First thing in the morning, obviously. And this is what you get. You don't get the cook up and all that sort of stuff. It's just sort of a basic, well, continental really, and fruit, that sort of thing. That's what you get. But what you do get is the peace and quiet. As you can see, there's no one in here, so fantastic. So this is the kids pool. As you can see, got the slides. Not that you've got to be a kid to go down the slide, of course, but you can see they've got all sorts of bits and pieces going on. A little bit of almost like a park area there. But yeah, nice area. This is at the back of the hotel, if you were looking down on it. Pools look lovely. This is part of the Sugar Reef area of Dreams Hotel. It's the adults only bar, just down below the adults only pool. And as you can see, it fronts right out onto the front. So the adults only preferred club has its own little area down here. There's the hotel up behind. It's all card accessed. And this is what it's like during the evening. So now you've had a chance to look at that, I'll run down my best bits. I think the pool, the infinity pool behind us, is absolutely stunning. It's for preferred club members only, which if you have a look at the deals, whichever package you choose, you know you'll probably end up getting this because it is the best pool. It's right by the bolognese beds, which are right there. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. They're €35 a day, so if you choose to have one of them, then it's not cheap if you have one every day. But the view you are looking out there is absolutely amazing. With the preferred club, you get a lounge during the day, so you can go and pick at some bits and pieces. There's pastries there, sandwiches, that sort of thing. The hotel is massive. It is massive. When I say massive, you know, we usually stay in sort of more sort of personal hotels. This one's got well over 300 rooms, which some of our family rooms, so you could be looking at 650 people, 700 people. And although it's not massive, maybe some of you have been to much bigger ones, but for us, it's massive. But would I come again? 100% I'd come again. The staff are fantastic. The entrance, when you walk in, is great. You know, with the preferred club, you get your mini bar stocked every day. Amazing location, 10 minutes from the marina, 10 minutes from the Papagayo Centre that way, a little bit further. We're a couple of miles, maybe 3 miles from Montana Roja, which I would strongly recommend climbing. You get the turn down done, you get your room done. I mean, it's just great. It's nice to be on holiday and treat yourself a little bit, you know. Thanks for watching. Hope you got some out of this video, and if you've enjoyed it, give us a like, make a comment, or even better, give us a subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next one.